Hi guys, this is the fourth lesson of our PowerPoint presentation. So in this video, I will show you how to insert the graph in our PowerPoint presentation. So first of all, you have to decide what type of slides you need. Here I will say that I'm going to select the to content because here I will write down my data and here I will show you how to make a graph. So our heading is suppose students from different regions, right? I will make it red and bold and center. Okay, so here I will write down my data. Suppose here is the regions and here are students. We'll set it here. Suppose this is the north region, east, west, and south. These are the different regions. And from, I will just make it very simple. Suppose from east we have 500 students. From west we have, just suppose, 800, and the last one is south, make it 900, right? So this is our supposed data. These are north, east, west, and south regions, and these are the number of students we have this year. So this is the graph, right? So just click here, and these are the different line, pie chart, bar. Suppose here I want to insert the pie chart. So click on pie, and this is the pie chart, and OK. And here you will see the Excel sheet will open. This one. By default, always you will see this Excel sheet. Here you have to change the data. Instead of this first quarter, second quarter, I will change it to east, and then this is west, and this is south. Here is 500 students, 600, we have 800, and here we have 900, and this is the students, right? And close it. So this is our graph. Here I can change it to make it northeast, west, south. And if I will open this, if you want a data level, if you want a jar sales, here I will make it students, right? And if you want, these are the different chart style. Open this, what type of chart? If you want to give this shape, this style, or this style, right? These are the different style. And again, we will set our presentation at the end. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. So in this presentation, we have learned how to insert a graph in the PowerPoint presentation. And thanks for watching it.